today let's start with chapter number first, that is the Earth. Earth is the planet where we all live, right? So the Earth, we live on a planet Earth. It is the only planet where life exists. It provides air, water and suitable weather condition for all living. It is round like an orange. It is a bit flat at the top and the bottom. Thousands of years, people believed that the Earth was flat and had edges. They were afraid of traveling very far so that they might reach on the corner of the Earth and fell down. Right? So what happened in 1590? Portuguese sailor named Ferdinand Magellan, right? He was started his long sea journey and sailed around the world. He took a number of sailors with him. They kept sailing in one direction. After sailing for 3 years, they reached the same place from where they had started. This voyage proved that Earth is not flat but round like a football or an orange. So in 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon and they took photographs of the Earth from the moon. The Earth looks like a huge, it cleared all the doubts related to shape of the Earth and understand that the shape or the position Earth की, we had a model on the Earth. Right? The sun and the 8 planet constitute solar system. A planet क्या है? Heavenly body. जो क्या करते हैं? Sun के around revolve करते हैं. The Earth is one among the 8 planets of the solar system that revolves and the planets revolve in the fixed one. जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Orbit कहते हैं. So the planets according to the increasing distance, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Third planet जो है Earth है, increasing distance में and it has no light of its own. When on the Earth it gets the light from sun. The Earth is surrounded by layer of air called atmosphere which consists of many gases जिसमें आपका ऑक्सीजन included होता है, right? So about 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water. Water का essential है. 1/4 Earth is land and if we stand on the top of the high building, we find the land and the sky. वो meet कर रहे हैं. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Horizon कहते हैं. So this place is called horizon. The land and the sky actually never meet. Every time we come closer to the horizon, it seems to move further away. Right? So similarly, the sky and the ocean seem to meet at a place. It is called water horizon. Though actually they never meet each other. The place where the land and the sea meet, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Coast कहते हैं. So Earth has also been seen from the surface of the moon. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.